So sir, please, you are invited on the dais. Please give a bigger round of applause for our guest of honor, Mr. Rashid M.A. sir. Guys, please give a big round of applause. Thank you sir, thank you very much. Second guest of honor, Mr. Dr. K. Panduranga Rao, is working in IVRCL, which is a infrastructure company. IVRCL is recognized as Iraga Varapu Venkata Reddy Construction Limited. He is working there as a group head HR. This is an Indian-based company engaged in execution of engineering in various departments such as water supply, roads and bridges, township, power transmission for control and state government. He is in the field of human resources management since last 32 years. His courses are from XLRI Jamshedpur in human resources management. His experiences are Nagarjuna Steels Limited Hyderabad, ITC Limited, Mantrayalam, Kurnool district, and IVRCL almost. Professional bodies, Executive Committee member, National Safety Council, AP chapter, Member State, Industrial Relations Committee, FIP CCI, Hyderabad, Member Child Labor Elimination Team, EFSI, AP chapter, Board member, Member of Academic Advisory Board of Dr. B.V. Raju Institute of Technology. So sir, please, you are welcome on the dais. Please give a big round for our second guest of honor, Dr. K. Panduranga Rao sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, our special invitee, Dr. M. Sanjeev Rao. He has done PhD from Trinity University, UK, with over 3 decades of proven success in human resource and personnel management. Successfully worked with prestigious organizations like Nagarjuna Construction Limited, Aggregate Projects Limited, Leo Median Infrastructure and Hotels Limited, and many more. His awards are Safety and Energy Conservation Award and Best Productivity and Quality Award. His specialization is Change Management and Organizational Development, Industrial Relation, HR Operation. His organizational experience is Priyadarshini Limited, Hyderabad as GMHR, Nagarjuna Construction Company Limited, Hyderabad as JGMHR, Sanghi Spincers and Group of Industries, Hyderabad as DGM Personnel and HRD.
So please, you are invited on the dais. Please give a big hand of applause for our special invited Dr. M. Sanjeev Rao. Once again, thank you very much. Now, we request our friend to continue this program. Mumtaz Ahmed and
Nagashri.
Please, you're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sir, please. Guys, give them a big applause. Nagashri, Jyoti and Ramya of BTech third year to start our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Whenever in the world the balance between the good and evil got disturbed, the Almighty Allah always helped His people. Now, Hafiz Muhammad Javed Hamid will recite us Firat. Pure, free from sins,
and gives us wisdom to make this world a better place to live in.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع الصابرين. ولا تقولوا لمن يقتل في سبيل الله أموات بل أحياء ولكن لا تشعرون. صدق الله العظيم.
Thank you, Javed. Now, Ramya of BTech third year will recite the Saraswati.
सरस्वती नमस्तेभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा पद्मपत्रा विशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरा सन्निधि नित्यं पद्मालया देवी सामं पातु सरस्वती शरणं करवाणि शर्मदन्ते शरणं करवाणि शराशरोपतिव्यं करुणामस्ते कटाक्षपाति शरणं पातु पद्मालया देवी सामं पातु शरणं करवाणि शर्मदन्ते.
Thank you, Ramya.
Now, our principal, Dr. Vedniti Desai sir will speak about his experience with us in this college. Sir, please.
Give him a great applause, friends. Can I start? Because I am unable to understand what you mean by your shouts. Anyway, thank you very much for welcoming me. I, on my behalf, personally welcome all the dignitaries on the dais. On behalf of this college, I take this opportunity to convey my warm greetings to you. Welcome all on this annual day celebration. I welcome students, friends, guests, parents, everyone, those who are here. This building of ours have more than 40 big halls with labs of mechanical, electrical, computers, civil department, electronics departments with 28 acres of land with hostel facilities and other academic requirements. We have 4 big sheds where we have huge labs related to mechanical, electrical. We have more than 10 lathe machines, hydro-generating turbines with different types of carpentry, welding, electrical, gas, foundry and molding systems. We have more than 400 computers divided among all the different departments. A huge library with more than 15,000 books with 7 international magazines related to technology and science, in addition to 8 national journals and books related to MTech. We are having more than 500 in numbers under supervision of Mazhar and Ahmed. Mechanical department headed by Mahmood sir, followed by Prakash sir, Mahesh sir, Tausif sir, supported by Ramu and Parshuram. They are doing the excellent work in their mechanical department. There is no second thought about our Mahmood sir and his team, those who are doing this work with all enthusiasm. Students, those who came out with flying colors in this particular department, that is second year Amarjit Kumar with 79% marks, second year Ashwak 72% marks, fourth year Samir with 74% marks, that is in the first sem. Electrical department headed by Anwar sir with Karim sir, Shilpa ma'am and Yogendra. Second year Uma Devi with 80% and Sarfaraz Ali with 72% marks. In fourth year we are having Ramarao with 70% marks. For computers CSE department headed by Samreen ma'am, excellent job she is doing in her department. Pawar sir followed by Nasir sir and Manga madam. They are doing their work without any hesitation, without any thinking. They are really hard workers with their knowledge, which they have experienced during that period of stay over here. In second year, that is Manusha, she got 75% of marks. From ECE department headed by Santosh sir, Zia sir, I need not speak anything about him. He takes the work without asking. Excellent person on this domain to work. If any work is needed, you just hand over to him, he takes care of it till it comes to the end. With Nazia ma'am, Asif sir, Ashia ma'am, Avesh sir and Sada. The students, those who have come with flying colors in this particular department, that is second year is Venkat Lakshmi, third year Nagashri and fourth year Kausar Fatima. Civil department, which we have recently started. Of course, we have everything in this particular department with respect to strength measuring instruments of different types, which are unique in its own way, and we have theodolites and many other survey materials, which is taken care by our Shastri sir, Udmir sir and Amer sir. They are always awaiting to help the students when they are in need. Humanities and sciences. Here, the best person known to me in this particular zone is Atya ma'am. She not only takes care of the education part, but she also takes care of the cultural aspects related to our college. She takes every pleasure, not only giving, but also making people do the work. That is the best part of her. And she has a sense of understanding what you talk to her. That is the best part of her. And in this particular department, she is followed by